So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring videos. So welcome. Ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Ito ay 3 and mostly relevant na formula sa integration of inverse trigonometry. So before ang lahat, I hope or I want you to stop the video or pause it meanwhile and try answering on your own. So I'm using green pen for luck, I guess. So whatever. So first things first, kailangan natin i-simplify. So 1 raised to 2 is just 1, so it's the same. So nilabas ko lang ang power of 2 sa e raised to x. So we set a is equals to 1, u is equals to e raised to x and then the differential of u with respect to x is equals to e raised to x dx. So we have d over e raised to x. So the next thing to do is substitute the value in our given. So we have 1 all over square root of e raised to x raised to 2 minus 1 square, right? And multiply it by du all over e raised to x. So basically the value of u is e raised to x. So most probably we'll be having arcsecant as our answer here. So we have d all over u square root of u square minus a square. So now we can see that our formula is already formatted in our problem. So we have 1 over a arcsecant q over a plus c. So that should be our answer. So the next thing to do is just substitute our values, the known values. So the value of a is 1 arcsecant. The value of u is e raised to x all over 1, just 1 plus c. So we have to simplify it. Simply, the answer will be arcsecant e raised to x plus c. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and for more video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.